We're gonna check out the downtown area of Gatlinburg. It looks pretty cool. We found the main strip, and so we're not exactly being 100% frugal, but we have to pay $15 for parking here. But hey, you know, you got to do what you got to do and follow the rules. So here we go. Well, here we are. We're gonna head to the Gatlinburg main strip in the Smoky Mountain area. Well, there's an elevator from the parking garage that we get to get in. So we're probably ground. I don't know what level to go on. What level? Oh, we're on ground. Okay, there. See what the first floor. I bet it's the first floor, if I had to guess. See if I guess correct. What do you think? Did I get it? We'll find out. Yep, maybe. This looks like a, well, we walked into a concert. That's kind of cool. I don't know what this is. Moonshine Tasting. Oh, wow. Kind of cool store. Walk around some and I'm gonna head out to the main strip here. Ta-da! Of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It does. Oh, the Superman. That's what it reminds me of. The Superman at Six Flags. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's just walk around, I guess. Check things, check out the scene. Do a little vlog for the Frugal Traveling channel here. Kind of reminds me of Branson, you know it? Like Branson's main strip a little bit. We'll have to go to Branson and vlog Branson. We've been there 100 times, but I love Branson, Missouri. It's cool. Do you want to hold and talk to the camera? No? Your camera shot? Huh?
I don't hold stuff.
You drop everything? It's okay. You can drop whatever. It's like a golf, mini golf. We got a pool with no water. Probably a little bit too cold to swim, I'd say, around this time of the year. They got a Shoney's. Shoney's has amazing breakfast. We got a Shoney's in old Daddy's hometown. Oh, get old Shoney's. It's they got good breakfast buffet, Shoney's. Let's see. We're gonna, it looks like a short little walk, maybe. Not too bad, you know. Better than what?
I was gonna see the trail, but
The trail? You weren't all about the trail? Well, it's something, you know. It's something to do rather than staying in the resort all day. In the resort room. Here, hold my hand. Hand. Alright. melting pot. Taco trail. Are you really? You think so? Well, we'll go back. Are you getting blisters? Huh?
No.
No? Well, you gotta tell me. If it's too much, it's too much. I don't know.
I just want to go somewhere this place.
Where do you want to go?
I mean, like, what kind of places they have, I guess.
You want to eat somewhere? Yeah? Well, we'll break a frugal golden rule and eat out maybe. I don't know. Here's a taco trail, but you know, I don't know if you like anything in here. You want to see what they have? Huh? You want to see what they have in here to eat? No, you filming that place? All right. Well, let's keep on keeping on. Keep on keeping on. Shoney's, there it is. It's in, I love Shoney's. Shoney's breakfast is amazing, no doubt. Gatlinburg, Tennessee. The main strip.
Oh, you know what?
There's a Superman, but not the Superman as Sky had mentioned. The Wonder Hotel. There's this little hotel. This would be a good place to stay because of the location. Look at all that parking too. We could have been more frugal and asked if we could borrow all those parking spots. So much for the Frugal Travel Channel. We fell at being frugal. Actually, we succeed at ethics. So yeah, there you go. Where do you see the Starbucks? Do you like Starbucks?
I mean, Sissy takes me there.
Sissy takes you to Starbucks?
I mean,
You're not.
sometimes. Like,
Are you supposed to drink? What do you get at Starbucks?
I mean, honestly, like, don't know, like, about, like, all the coffees and stuff.
You don't?
Well, actually, no, I don't know. I mean, it's because, like, one time I got, like, this, like...
Well, Mellow Mushroom is pizza. You like pizza, right? See, pizza? You want to eat there? Pizza with light sauce. They have the Bubba Gut Shrimp Company. What are you feeling? Pizza, maybe? You know what's ironic? They have one of these in my hometown, too. Hometown's Owensboro, by the way. Everyone's like, where is this hometown? Owensboro, Kentucky. All right.
I mean, I don't know what pizza they have, though.
Well, we can find out. I don't know how you get in this place. Oh, there you go. Those doors are locked. Sweet. I like this place.
Free elevator, right?
We're gonna sit at an easy access table. Right here. Just sit here. And we're gonna be leaving the Mellow Mushroom. It's kind of cool to have upstairs here.
See that crazy lady behind you.
Oh, okay. You ready, Scott? Alright, let's boogie. Oh, I have to hold this. So you have to, can you hold this?
You got it?
Here, I'll hold your phone.
Normally I bring more traffic. I'm like,
Alright, we'll walk around downtown here a little bit. I think it's downtown.
we can't go here, but
Main strip.
have a great day, guys.
You too, thank you. It's starting to get a little bit cold. All right, so we ate. There's Six Flags Resort. That's where we came in at. Huh? You like the music? All right.
Got it?
Alright. There's a little side road there with some more stuff. Please believe it or not. I think your favorite part about the trip so far is the pizza. Yeah. All right, man, look at all the people. It's a lot of people out. Your hand's cold? We'll walk for just a little bit more. Wow, that's a lot of people out. Your hands are cold because of the Coke.
Yeah.
Do you want to ditch the Coke? You can throw it away here.
No.
All right.
Might have time.
Huh? Let's just walk for a little while longer. We come here to explore. We got to explore, right? Thank God they have a lot of trash cans because I'm done with my Coke. I'm going to take over the pizza. That'll make life a little bit easier on you, right? A little bit easier. Yeah, this is kind of cool. It's a nice day out. It's mid 60s today. actually have a lot of parking through here. How you holding up? You want to hold the pizza and I hold your Coke? So your hands won't be as cold. You can switch hands. What do you want to do? Okay, when you want to drink, just let me know. That's right. Us dads, we suffer so they have a better life, even on holding cold drinks.
You look closer, he won't go there more. It's okay like this. Okay,
Alright. Got more mini golf. A lot of mini golf. Golf is popular. Got here some art.
Guys, y'all come on up. We got free samples. Who else wants to sample my big sauce?
Alright. Sunglasses.
I need angels. Oh, look at that big forehead shit.
Another pizza place. Ooh, $20 parking. Our parking was 10 or 15. So maybe that's, yeah. Trump Superstore. Well, looky there. Trump has his own store here. Our president has his own store at the right here in Gatlinburg with his own merch. Imagine that.
Experience really special events. It's
Well, huh? You need your soda?
Yeah.
Here. Drink up, dude. Alright, we're almost done with the downtown excursion. Or the main strip. I don't even know if this is downtown, honestly.
I don't know if they survived.
Yeah.